Hello. Hi. Excuse me. 1 minute, please. Sorry to bother you. I'm actually going to Lagos, and I came here to see if I can get someone to accompany me. I don't want to drive alone, so I don't fall asleep on the road. Which way are you going?
I'm going to Lagos too.
Oh, you're going to Lagos? Can you join me? Okay, keep me company, okay?
Alright, no problem then.
Alright, that's wonderful. Come on, hop in.
How was your journey to Lagos?
It was fantastic and fun.
Fantastic and fun?
Yes, so.
How?
I really wish to have a replica of this journey. It was full of fun.
Tell me, gist me, what really happened?
Okay. On my way going down to Lagos, I met this man on the way. Actually, I was so afraid to walk to him, but I summoned the courage to walk to him. And he asked me where I was going to. I told him I'm going to Lagos, and he said he's going to Lagos too. So he gave me a ride down to Lagos.
Wait, you mean on your way to Lagos, you met a man you never knew from Adam? He asked you to hop in and you hopped in.
Babe, it's a big deal. You know what baffles me most is that when we got to Lagos, he took me to a supermarket where he bought so many things for me. He bought bags, wristwatches, necklace. My dear, he bought things that worth 135,000 naira. Babe, I'm so surprised at you.
What? 135,000 naira?
My dear, consider it again.
Just like that?
Just like that. I'm so surprised at you.
Lizzie, something tells me you are being economical with the truth. So tell me, what really happened next?
Babe, what else do you want me to say? I just told you nothing but the truth. This is how it happened.
Just like that?
I said just like that.
Anyway, I'm very happy for you.
Thank you, dear.
135,000.
Okay, what can I do? It's what keeps me on, you know that. Naigala Palio.
So how you did?
Oh, I think my brother.
How my mom see, man?
Mom sister make her greet everybody fine, man.
Wow.
She never can thank you for that thing where you send them.
Small thing now, wait till.
She was very happy.
More will come.
Meanwhile, she said she wants to see you.
I know why.
Right?
That one is breathing on my neck, man. It's about marriage.
You don't want marry?
I got married, but not yet.
What till they wait for?
I'm ready.
What till they wait for?
Oh boy, I'm not ready yet, honestly.
Okay, that body way they wait for this. They wait for the body land before you. Zuba.
Chuke.
That body feel no come.
You must come on.
So better the small way hold. I think I go and read you.
With them bunny now, all this hustle.
That reminds me. When I want to make that trip, this is the way you get that journey they make, so that long journey they make. You go like need companion.
You need a companion, yes.
Now I say make I just drive you to one park. Like what's the name of that park? Peace Mass.
Enter park.
I just enter. As I just enter, now I see one babe. One fine babe just now. No, I don't be babe, I go carry you.
Nah man.
That guy I say make I pick. Because these guys they are one or two plates. As I see this guy that park, now I say babe, I say which way are you going? It's like this.
You don't enter.
That time I baby she falling. You don't make me a follow go. You know babes now. She won't go do
shakara now.
form, smell.
Ekwe.
They were like boss on Nigeria. What's the sharp car? Which was a job. It's the one hurry jumping. She won't form small.
Women.
When she formed finish called hopping. It was a smooth ride.
Can you imagine?
Just the cruise they go man. Yeah. But not be say I give babe ride go Lagos or babe I come go. Waiting they marvel me past now since that day reach now man. I'm not stopped thinking of this girl man.
You. What do they think about her for?
And they feel something.
Eh? What?
I begin to think I fall in love with her.
Ah, Chuki, you love. I beg
rule it out.
I don't be small again. When I see love, I don't know.
Boy, not you. You just met a girl, drove to Lagos and you're in love.
You don't say you from village. You never hear what they call love at first sight.
You from town? Do you believe in that shit for love at first sight?
I believe I'm because it happened to me now.
Can I clear you?
Clear me.
You are infatuated.
Zubi, when I tell you say you don't understand what you love me, I know it when I feel it.
Bro, you can't deceive me, oh, because I can't imagine it. Chuki, love.
You don't say I should right, but I'm in love with her. I tell you. You don't go no see your love here.
I can't wait to see this girl.
Your love and your life here. So I won't understand. Once you have your beer in front of you and your cigar there.
Chicken man.
Dry women clothes here?
Sure, I do. Do you have some?
I actually have some, but I'll get it when coming back.
Oh, I'll be right here. Or open. Okay, thank you.
Bodanya. Bodanya. Hey, Bodanya.
Hey yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo. Nah, so it be. Hey yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo. As you see, I'm no be so it be. You they see white, I'm on a radio. All that glitters no be gold, yo. You they think I'm no be so it be. Or more think twice, no the dolly, yo. All that glitters no be gold, yo.
Bodanya.
Hey,
Bodanya.
all that glitters no be gold.
What do you want?
I'm back to water.
Bodanya.
All that glitters no be gold.
Hello. Excuse me. Hello.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, if you don't mind.
Thank you.
Look, guy, look before you leave. Hey.
I'm fine.
You see, I just saw you as you came in. You were looking so ravishing. But I couldn't hold it back. I felt I should know you. I am Zubi. What do I call you?
I'm Jenny, and stop flattering me.
Wow. Honestly, you're so wonderful. Like,
What it will cost you to log into my.com?
Yes. Yes!
All that glitters no be gold, yo. As you see, I'm no be so you be you. They see white, I'm on a radio. All that glitters no be gold, yo. You they think I'm no be so you be. Or more think twice, no the dolly, yo. All that glitters no be gold, yo.
Bodanya.
Hello.
I actually brought this food for you to try for me. Promise not to pick them up.
Okay. Oh, this is not a problem. I'll take care of this.
Alright, take care.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. Just a minute.
What is it?
If you don't mind, can I have just 1 minute of your time, please?
Okay then, no problem, but anything you want to say, just make it snap because I don't have much time to waste. Thank you.
Yeah, without wasting much of your time, like you said. My name is John Callis, and I just recently moved into this town. So may I know you?
I'm Lisbeth. I was born, bred and buttered in this town.
Wow. Lisbeth. What a nice name you've got. But without wasting much of your time, I don't know, has anyone ever told you you are an embodiment of beauty?
Please stop the flattering.
No, don't go there. I am not trying to flatter you in any way. I'm just being honest. Like right from the very first day I saw you came by my store, there's always been one thing in my head, and that thing has always been you. I just wanted to ask if you can be my girlfriend.
Please, I think that's all for now. I have to take my leave.
Shit.
Yeah.
Bodanya.
Is this for real? Oh, wait, is this for real? This girl, she actually made away with all my money? Jesus Christ, can't believe this. After all we did last night, after all the phone we heard, she had the effrontery, she had the nerve, the impetus to run away with my money. Oh shit. I wish I could set my eyes on her. I will so crush her. I'll crush it. I'll crush her. But wait. No, this has to be a secret. Because if Chooks get to know about this, oh, he will so make mockery of me. He will really make mockery of me. No. I don't have a choice on this. I have to continue dying in silence. That's my case. I have to continue dying in silence. I think I have to go and look for this girl. I might see her. I might run into her. You know God is wonderful. I might run into her. Let me search for her.
Before you leave, all that glitters no be gold, yo. Nah, so it be. Hey, yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo. As you see, I'm no be so it be. They see white, I'm on a red, yo. All that glitters no be gold, yo.
Babe, I'm worried. What is it again? There's this guy by name John Callis. He has a laundry shop down the street. Babe, this guy is cute. This guy is huge, babe. I think I'm tripping for this guy. I'm dying for him.
Listen.
Oh.
What about the
Chuki you told me gave you a right to this.
I beg, forget that one. I'm trying to erase him from my mind. I don't even know if he's a ghost or human. Besides,
John Carlos asked me out.
asked you out? Yes.
Did you accept this proposal?
Babe, I did not. I'm only playing tough.
John Carlos. It seems I know that guy. John Carlos. Is it not this guy that came into town last month? Opened a laundry shop down the street. He's huge, dark.
That's him, babe. You know him. Babe, I'm dying for this guy. I'm tripping for him. I don't have an appointment with him tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Anyway, has Chuki called you since then?
Yeah, he did. He even sent me a text message and I called him as soon as I got this text. Babe, he even asked me not to call him that he will do the call-ins. I'm tired of this distant love in Tokyo. Babe, I'm tired.
What? My mind tells me that Chuki might be real if truly he called you.
Babe, I don't know. I'm confused. I don't just know what to do.
My dear, Chuki might be real. You know, you just have to take it easy. No, don't just rush into this John Carlos days, John Carlos stars. Because Chuki might turn out to be real. And you'll get confused. Okay, then just take it easy.
Bodanya. Bodanya. Bodanya.
Hey yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold yo. Nah, so it be. Hey yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold yo. As you see, I'm no be so it be. You they see white, I'm on a radio. All that glitters no be gold yo. You they think I'm no be so it be. Or more think twice, no the dolly yo. All that glitters no be gold yo.
Bodanya.
Bodanya. All that glitters no be gold yo.
Bodanya.
I finished my clothes.
Lizzie, you look more beautiful today. Tell me, what's the secret?
You've started a game. Please, have you finished my clothes?
I did exactly like you asked.
Bodanya.
Here they are. Yes. I actually made sure they're very clean.
That's a good one.
No, don't bother. Don't bother about the money.
Please take the money. It's your sweat.
Hey, it's my store and it's my business. I can decide how I spend my money.
Okay, if you refuse to collect the money, then forget about the discussion.
It's okay. I have it. So,
Excuse me. Hello. What? Okay.
I was going to say before the call came in, the discussion we had last time, you said you would give me an answer.
Please, I've not decided on that issue.
See, Lizzie, you promised me, and remember, promise is a debt.
Carlos, you're pressing me too much on this issue, and I don't like it.
It's not like I am pressing you. Truth is, I have come to like you so much, and I don't want any other son of Adam to take you away from me.
Then if you insist, Matthew 7:7.
Matthew 7:7, and what has that got to do with what we are talking about?
If you don't understand what I said, maybe when next I come, I'll explain better.
But it's funny how you're bringing in Bible to a relationship talk between you and me.
Read your Bible, Carlos. Have a nice day.
Bodanya.
Matthew 7:7.
Bodanya.
Come, let me have my Bible.
Bodanya.
Hey yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold yo.
Matthew
Nah, so
7:7.
it be. Hey yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold yo.
Ask, and it shall be given unto you. Seek, and you shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened unto you. Hey! When did this girl start using Bible verse to answer relationship proposal? Hey! Ask and it shall be received. I will ask. I will ask you. Hey!
Hello.
Hello. Is that Lizzie?
Chucky, I don't know you with this line. Why are you playing pranks on me?
Come on. I'm not playing you any kind of pranks, okay? How can we see it? You want to come over to Lagos? Or you want me to come over and see you?
Lagos?
Yeah, Lagos.
It won't be easy for me. And besides, I don't know you in total. I'm even suspecting you're a ghost.
Listen, me a ghost? Come on. I'm for real, okay? I ain't a ghost.
If you're not, why didn't you give me your number to call you? Is it a crime I call you? I don't just get it. Chucky, what are you up to?
I'm up to you.
Okay, no problem. If you want to see me then, come to number 5 GRA Enugu. That was my address.
Okay, you know what you do? Why don't you text the address to me? I'd prefer it. And this is my number. Feel free. Call me whenever, okay?
Okay, no problem, but keep to your promise.
You know what? I'm going to send you an airtime.
5,000 naira recharge card. Okay, but please keep to your promise.
Bye.
Bye then. Babe.
Wow. The person we thought is a ghost has finally turned to be real. Angel.
Yeah.
I told Lizzie that Chucky guy is serious, but she never believed me. But I reserve my comment too.
Trust me, I don't still trust that guy.
But whichever way, let's keep our fingers crossed.
Oh my god. Rate it.
Wow, babes!
5,000 naira recharge cards from Chucky.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yes. Oh no!
Babe, I beg transfer my own come, Jerry.
I beg, wait, I beg. For me, whether he's a ghost or not, I don't care. All I know is that I'm not going to Lagos. He will come here and meet me.
You dey carry last. Now we dey rule this one. You want to try? But I beg the credit first, eh?
Wait first, I beg I dey come. Now you can use them first, now before you. Wait till they talk. I beg you.
Bodanya. Bodanya. Bodanya.
Yeah, come in. The door is open. Oh my. Wow. Welcome to my humble abode.
Bodanya.
It's a place I call home.
Wow. What a nice place you have here.
Thank you. Do sit, please.
Alright, thank you.
Feels so good to have you here. And let me quickly get you something to drink, please.
Alright.
I'll be right back.
Bodanya. 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 Bodanya.
I actually forgot to ask you what kind of...
What's the meaning of all these inscriptions on the wall? These inscriptions are so hard and I don't really get it. What's the meaning of all this?
Say, Lizzie, I wasn't actually expecting you to understand. Truth is, back then in the university, I was a very strong man. But now I'm a repentant soul. See, just like this one, see? We are sons and daughters of love. So let's make love till the end of time. They actually mean no harm to you.
I'm afraid because those words are harsh to the mind.
Relax, Lizzie. See, the love I have for you is so divine. I don't want anything to come between you and I. I just want to cherish you until the end of time. See, I want to live the rest of my life cherishing every moment I spend with you. I want to wake up every day just thinking about you. For each breath I take, I just want you to be all I have. And if you don't mind, it would be fair enough if you will come with me to my room so I could show you some inscription on my bed. You would like those ones.
Okay. Let me get my perfume.
Okay.
Bodanya.
This way, please.
Bodanya.
Yes, what's up?
Is that man?
Which one?
The one that saw us when we went to buy Syria.
What's up in him?
Angel. It's like that man is very rich.
Really?
Yes. You need to see the pictures he just forwarded to me now. Pictures he took in his mansions. Wait. Appointment tomorrow. Wow! Angel. An appointment tomorrow. He said I can come with my girl. Yay! Easy, babe!
What is it again? There's this guy by name John Carlos. He has a laundry shop down the street. Babe, this guy is cute. This guy is huge, babe. I think I'm tripping for this guy. I'm dying for him.
Listen. What about the chicken you told me gave you a ride to Vegas?
I beg, forget that one. I'm trying to erase him from my mind. I don't even know if he's a ghost or human. Besides,
John Carlos asked me out. Asked you out?
Yes.
Did you accept his proposal?
Babe, I did not. I'm only playing tough.
John Carlos. It seems I know that guy. John Carlos. Is it not this guy that came into town last month? Opened a laundry shop down the street. He's huge, dark.
That's him, babe. You know him. Babe, I'm dying for this guy. I'm tripping for him. I don't have an appointment with him tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Anyway, has Chucky called you since then?
Yeah, he did. He even sent me a text message and I called him as soon as I got his text. Babe, he even asked me not to call him that he will do the call-ins. I'm tired of this distant love in Tokyo. Babe, I'm tired.
What? My mind tells me that Chucky might be real if truly he called you.
Babe, I don't know. I'm confused. I don't just know what to do.
My dear, Chucky might be real. You know, you just have to take it easy. No, don't just rush into these John Carlos days, John Carlos stars. Because Chucky might turn out to be real. And you will get confused. Okay, then just take it easy. Yeah.
Bodanya. Bodanya. Bodanya.
Hey yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo. So it be. Hey yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo. As you see, I'm no be so it be. You they see white, I'm on a radio. All that glitters no be gold, yo. You they think I'm no be so it be. Or more think twice, no the dolly, yo. All that glitters no be gold, yo.
Bodanya. Bodanya.
All that glitters no be gold, yo.
Bodanya.
My clothes.
Lizzie, you look more beautiful today. Tell me, what's the secret?
You've started a game. Please, have you finished my clothes?
I did exactly like you asked.
Bodanya.
Here they are. Yes. I actually made sure they're very clean.
That's a good one.
No, don't bother. Don't bother about the money.
Please take the money. It's your sweat.
Hey, it's my store and it's my business. I can decide how I spend my money.
Okay, if you refuse to collect the money, then forget about the discussion.
It's okay. I have it. So,
Excuse me. Hello. What?
I was going to say before the call came in, the discussion we had last time, you said you would give me an answer.
Please, I've not decided on that issue.
See, Lizzie, you promised me, and remember, promise is a debt.
Carlos, you're pressing me too much on this issue, and I don't like it.
It's not like I am pressing you. Truth is, I have come to like you so much, and I don't want any other son of Adam to take you away from me.
Then if you insist, Matthew 7:7.
Matthew 7:7, and what has that got to do with what we are talking about?
If you don't understand what I said, maybe when next I come, I'll explain better.
But it's funny how you're bringing in Bible to a relationship talk between you and me.
Read your Bible, Carlos. Have a nice day.
Matthew 7:7.
Come,
let me have my Bible.
Hey, yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo.
Matthew 7:7.
Hey, yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo.
Ask, and it shall be given unto you. Seek, and you shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened unto you. Hey! When did this girl start using Bible verse to answer relationship proposal? Hey! Ask and it shall be received. I will ask. I will ask you. Hey!
Hello.
Hello. Is that Lizzie?
Chucky. I don't know you with this line. Why are you playing pranks on me?
Come on. I'm not playing you any kind of pranks, okay? How can we see? You want to come over to Lagos? So you want me to come over and see you?
Lagos?
Yeah, Lagos.
It won't be easy for me. And besides, I don't know you in total. I'm even suspecting you're a ghost.
Lizzie, me a ghost? Come on. I'm for real, okay? I ain't a ghost.
If you're not, why didn't you give me your number to call you? Or is it a crime I call you? I don't get it. Chucky, what are you up to?
I'm up to you.
Okay, no problem. If you want to see me then, come to number 5 GRA Enugu. That was my address.
Okay, you know what you do? Why don't you test the address to me? I'd prefer it. And this is my number. Feel free. Call me whatever, okay?
Okay, no problem. But keep to your promise.
You know what? I'm going to send you an airtime.
5,000 naira recharge card. Okay, but please keep to your promise.
Bye.
Bye then. Babe.
Wow. The person we thought is a ghost has finally turned to be real. Angel.
Yeah.
I told Lizzie that Chucky guy is serious, but she never believed me. But I reserve my comment too.
Trust me, I don't still trust that guy. But whichever way, let's keep our fingers crossed. Oh my god. Rate it. Wow, babes! 5,000 naira recharge cards from Chucky. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yes. Oh no!
Babe, I beg transfer my own come, Jerry.
I beg, wait, I beg.
For me, whether he's a ghost or not, I don't care. All I know is that I'm not going to Lagos. He will come here and meet me. In a carry lash. Now we they rule this one.
Sure now. Talk again.
You want to try?
But I beg the credit first, eh?
Wait first, I beg her they come. Now you can use them first now before you wait till they talk.
Can get my
I beg you.
Bodanya. Bodanya. Bodanya.
Yeah, come in. The door is open. Oh my. Welcome to my humble abode.
Bodanya.
It's a place I call home.
Wow. What a nice place you have here.
Thank you. Do sit, please.
Alright, thank you.
Feels good to have you here. And let me quickly get you something to drink, please.
Alright.
I'll be right back.
Bodanya. 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 Bodanya.
I actually forgot to ask you
Collins.
what kind of...
What's the meaning of all these inscriptions on the wall? These inscriptions are so hard and I don't really get it. What's the meaning of all this?
Say, Lizzie, I wasn't actually expecting you to understand. Truth is, back then in the university, I was a very strong man. But now I'm a repentant soul. See, just like this one, see? We are sons and daughters of love. So let's make love till the end of time. They actually mean no harm to you.
I'm afraid because those words are harsh to the mind.
Relax, Lizzie. See, the love I have for you is so divine. I don't want anything to come between you and I. I just want to cherish you until the end of time. See, I want to live the rest of my life cherishing every moment I spend with you. I want to wake up every day just thinking about you for each breath I take. I just want you to be all I have. And if you don't mind, it would be fair enough if you will come with me to my room so I could show you some inscription on my bed. You would like those ones.
Okay. Let me get my perfume.
Okay.
Bodanya.
This way, please.
Bodanya.
Yes, what's up?
Is that man? Which one? The one that saw us when we went to buy Syria.
What's up in here?
Angel. It's like that man is very rich.
Really?
Yes. You need to see the pictures he just forwarded to me now. Pictures he took in his mansion. Wait. Appointment tomorrow. Wait. Can I come with my girls? Wow! Angel. An appointment tomorrow. He said I can come with my girl.
Yay!
Easy day! Lizzie. You have been like this since you find it very difficult to confide in us. I will advise you go to bed and sleep over whatever it is that is bothering you. Maybe tomorrow morning you'll be in a better mood to tell us.
Babes, you won't understand. For the past 2 weeks, I've not seen my menstrual cycle.
What?
Who is responsible?
Responsible for what?
Yeah.
From what she's saying, can't you see she's pregnant? Angelo. Always pop nosy. Who told you she's pregnant?
In fact, I miscalculated it. I miscalculated my menstrual cycle.
What of Chucky? Have you been with him for these past weeks?
Please, take this Chucky out of this. If I'll have my way, I'll go for my love colors.
What? Lizzie, are you okay? Are you really okay? I wonder what you see in these joncalies of a guy or whatever you call him. Why are you so blind to embrace this golden and wonderful opportunity that has come your way?
Babes, please just stop abortioning blames on me. All I just need is your advice and nothing more.
Advice on what? When you've already made up your mind to move on with these scallies of a guy. Oh! Anyway, Lizzie, the only advice I can give you in this situation is to boldly go to John Callis and tell him you're pregnant for him. Maybe he will be happy and marry you. But mind you, all that glitters is not gold.
I think that's the best thing I want to know.
Whatever you're doing, do it very bad before it's too late.
You know, I actually was thinking about so many things. And with all of these things I was thinking about, I was actually just thinking about you. You know, I have come to love you so much that I hope nothing ever will separate us. Now I just can't do anything in the world for you.
Are you serious?
100%. Just name it. So long as it's a marriage, I'm okay. Just name it.
Okay. Can you marry me?
Oh wait, why? Of all the questions in the world, why did you choose just that very one?
Because I'm pregnant for you.
wait. Is it?
What on ya?
Are you just saying this to pull my legs?
No. I'm serious, I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Oh, come on. I'm carrying your
Hey,
child.
please, Lizzie. I did not make any provision for marriage in my life. Not now, and not forever.
Callis, why did you tell me all this while?
Hey, look.
What do you want me to do?
Lizzie, don't start.
What do you want me to do? Come on, baby, please. Don't do this to me, please, Callis. Just tell me you're joking.
Sit down, Lizzie.
Please.
Sit down, Lizzie. Lizzie, let me tell you. See, it's a long story.
What on ya? What on ya?
Hey yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo. Nah, so it be. Hey yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo. As you see, I'm no be so it be. You they see white, I'm on a radio. All that glitters no be gold, yo. You they think I'm no be so it be. Or more think twice, no the dolly, yo. All that glitters no be gold, yo.
What on ya?
Angel! Close the door now.
What on ya?
All that glitters no be gold, yo.
What on ya? What on ya?
All that glitters no be gold, yo.
What on ya?
What on ya? All that glitters no be gold, yo.
What is the problem?
What on ya?
Still on the matter.
What on ya?
So this is the end of the love you have for him. This is incredible. Anyway, I think this is his own way of taking you off.
Angel, is this all you could say in this situation? But Lizzie, I warned you. I warned you, but you never listened to me. You never listened. Now you are in this mess. You have to sort it out yourself.
If he said all this to you, I think I believe him. Because I heard this same story from one of his closest friends.
Angel. What do you mean by that?
You see, this same John Callis, he toasted me and I accepted. Do you know that when I got to the place of appointment, one of his friends told me that he said he's having his fun and enjoying life to the fullest. That he's a Casanova. The one where crazy me pass. He said that if he ever gets married, that he will die. I used to think that it's one of those fabricated stories, but it's true.
Angel, I don't believe you. You are too good in fabricating stories. Well, Lizzie, you've had it all now. Eh? But see, all you need to do now is to just reply your life. Okay? Just, after all, Chukimo is coming into town in 2 days' time. All you have to do is to just, switch over. After all, he will never know what happened. It's only when you tell him that he will know. Just be smart in this one, okay? Just play smart.
I think this is the best advice you've ever got on this.
Babes, but I've not seen him. My head is popcorn and I don't know what to do again. I'm confused.
Lizzie, don't be confused, okay? Everything is going to be fine again. It's just a matter of time.
Don't just bother yourself, right? Hey, babe. We are going somewhere.
Yes.
Come back soon.
Yes, yeah.
Babes, I'm so happy. Your best friend, babe. I'm grateful. Don't worry.
The future is still bright for you, okay? Everything is going to be fine. Take good care of yourself, okay? We'll soon be back.
Special.
On that day, there was 3 girls. One was Jenny.
Okay.
The other was Angel. And the other was Barbara. The one sitting next to my Lizzie. Her name is Barbara.
That's her. Barbara. Barbara is the name.
Barbara. They all look at Barbara.
Please. Get her contact from Lizzie for me.
Not to worry, I'll get it for you, but it will cost you something.
See, bro, anything for you. Just that contact. Once you get it for me, anything, just ask.
Hey.
My blood.
Bodanya. Bodanya.
I am the son of Dikeh. I fear no man born of a woman. My dad must fly me abroad. That's my name.
Oliver! Oh! Here you are. I'm looking for you.
Princess, what is the problem? And why are you looking for me?
Brother, I want us to talk.
Talk about what?
Okay, sit down.
Oliver, you know you're my only brother. Daddy, Mommy, and I love you so much. We want the best for you. Brother, your attitude has become a thorn on everybody's flesh. Brother, please change for good. This is not you. You now give Mommy Daddy high blood pressure. Do you want them to die before their time? Oliver.
Princess, if not because you are my only sister, I swear to God, you have become a dead person now. Before I can pray, leave my presence. Come on, get out. You okay? Come on, leave. Get out. Nonsense. Imagine. I still know it, Oliver.
It's about our son. I have been thinking about what to do. His way of life, his attitude towards life, his stubbornness, every other thing he's done. I have been thinking of if I should seek advice from my friend James Commissioner.
It hasn't gotten to that extent. Chidema said Oliver told her he's not going back to school unless you fly him abroad to study.
And he did what? There's no going to school here. And I should send him abroad so he can go and disgrace me and embarrass me and do something stupid and get me into trouble. I won't do that. I won't. We have good schools here. Very good schools. If Oliver doesn't want to continue his education here, let him sit back at home. This house is big enough to accommodate him. But if I need to send my brother, I will not do it. I won't. We have good schools here. Good schools that I am prepared to pay for.
Sweetheart, I know you. Remember the Oliver we're talking about here is our only son. Let's do anything to support him. Remember, Chief Akwagwagu sent his only son abroad. And I know you can do the same.
Sweetheart, that is him. I'm a different person. I will not send Oliver anywhere. If Oliver so wishes not to continue his education here, let him sit back at home. But for me to send him out there, I will not. Period.
Sweetheart, please. Please, I'm begging you.
Sweetheart, this discussion is over. I do not want to continue this discussion. Accept this discussion is over. This discussion is over.
Hey, yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold.
Mom and I, we're talking about Oliver. But Oliver doesn't want to continue education. He wants me to send him abroad, and I said no. I won't do it.
Yes, Oliver told me.
He did?
I'm not going to study here unless you fly him abroad.
But you know I won't.
Oliver's troubles are becoming too much in this house.
So that you can say that again.
I won't send him away.
I'm not going to. You don't need to tell me. I won't.
No, I don't like seeing you shouting.
I won't shout again.
I was doing something, sir. But I'm not going to finish it.
All right, then.
This is my friend.
Welcome. Thank you.
Sorry to keep you waiting. I was actually inside preparing food for my husband. No problem. How is the family? You called me on phone and you weren't sounding okay. What is the problem?
No problem, my friend. But trouble did.
What is it?
My dear friend, I'm in between the devil and the deep sea. My family is on fire.
How come?
It's about my son, Oliver. Do you know that what Carlis told me years back is true? Oliver has been a thorn in the family. Do you know that he was recently arrested for robbery?
What?
Smoking of Indian hemp and doing all sort of things. My dear friend, I'm tired. I don't know what to do anymore.
Are you serious? But Oliver used to be a very good boy. Why the sudden change in character?
I don't know. I don't just know.
What did his father say about all this?
His father is not helping matters at all. Oliver said the only way to stop all this thing is only if the father fly him abroad to study. My dear friend, I'm tired. I don't just know what to do anymore.
But have you discussed it with his father?
I've discussed with the father, but he said over his dead body, will he send Oliver abroad to study. His father also said that Oliver might get there and bring the family name to the mold. I don't just know what else to do.
But judging from what you said about Oliver, his father might be right. But all the same, I will advise you to bring Oliver along with you. I'll take both of you to my pastor so that he will deliver Oliver.
Did you just say your pastor?
Of course, my pastor. Listen, my pastor is a very powerful man of God. He has treated cases like that of Oliver. He has delivered people, liberated families. I know once I take you to my pastor, Oliver's problem will be over.
I did fine. I just hope so. Because you know I would do anything to save my son from all this. And to save my family name from this situation.
He's alright, my friend. Just trust in God. Everything is going to be fine, okay?
I just hope so.
It's okay. Pardon my manners. What do I offer you?
Maybe I just forget about it, please. I don't need anything.
Children of nowadays. Darling, while you were away, Lizzie came to the house. She told me the troubles and challenges she has been facing in her matrimonial home. How Oliver, her son, has been giving she and her husband trouble in the house. Womanizing, stealing, raping women here and there, and even bringing abuses on Lizzie and the husband. And she told me, that Oliver has been persuading her to convince the husband to send him abroad to study. You are Chuki's bosom friend, and you are the only one he can listen to. Please, I want you to go and beg him or talk to him to send Oliver abroad so that he can study. Who knows? Maybe when he gets there, he might change.
It's a very big dilemma. It's unfortunate. I never knew this is what Chuki, my friend, has been passing through. It's alright. I'm still Chuki. Let me hear his own side of the story.
Okay.
Maybe we'll carry just something. I'll see what I can do. It's a pity. Please, I've lost appetite for this.
Are you sure already?
Yeah, I'm done.
Wow. Zubi in the house.
My brother.
How are you?
My brother, I'm good.
What brought you to my house?
I must see my brother. Baby, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
What did you call my wife?
Baby, of course.
Call my wife, baby.
She's our wife.
Like, Zubi, you want to take my wife from me?
She's our wife.
Yo. The way we.
Thank you, I'm good, bro. I'm good. I came in last night and my wife told me what almost got me crazy. What you're passing through? Oh, wow. Jeez.
And it's getting worse by the day.
Wow.
And I just completed arrangements with the commissioner to check him into a reformatory home. To see if we can get him sorted out.
It's alright. You know how we'll do it. Anything, anytime. Please, do not hesitate. I'll always be there for you.
I appreciate it.
But, sweetheart, I don't think taking him to a reformatory home is the best idea. I think I have a strong man of God who can solve the problem.
Honey, I cannot agree less. You know, anything that will get him back on track, I'm in for it. See, Zubi, this is my only son. And I love him so much. So much that I'm willing to give anything to get him back on track. You cannot begin to imagine in the last couple of months what the mom and I have been through. Wow! All to one. Rather, he's deteriorating by the day. So that, call your son.
Where is she that? Oliver! Oliver!
It's terrible.
Oliver!
Mom!
Will you come here, you naughty boy?
Mom, you called me.
Oliver, your father needs you here.
Dad.
Sit down.
Dad, I'm okay here.
Hi. You say you're okay? Are you listening to me? For some time now, you've been smearing my name in the mud. And I have not done anything about it. Now listen up. I'm giving you two options. First, I am going to check you into a reformatory home. Or your mom will take you to a living church for believers. I want you to make your choice. Make a choice out of these two options. Here and now.
John. Oliver, son of Dikeh. Dad, I told you my problem is traveling abroad. You're just telling me about taking me to a reformatory home or one of these cheap churches for deliverance. Dad, I am not interested. My mates are out there. I want to travel abroad. Fly me abroad, Dad! I'm not going anywhere with anybody! Mom! Was that why you called me? I'm asking you, Mom! Was that why you called me, Oliver?
Shut your mouth, you're talking to your father! Oliver, I said shut your mouth! Come up here!
I have better things to do! Excuse me, Mom! Excuse me, Mom! Stop it, Mom!
I'm glad it happened before. So no.
Chucky, how long has this been on?
6 months.
Gosh.
Oliver, my son.
Mom.
What is wrong with you? Why don't you want to come to church with us?
Gosh.
Now tell me. With what you said now, why would I not do anything to stop it?
I strongly believe that this your problem is spiritual. This your problem is spiritual, honestly. My son, please, come to church with us. Please, my son.
Mom.
Something has to be done.
So you and your husband connive together to take me, Oliver, to the reformatory home or one of these cheap prayer houses for deliverance. Mom, am I not alright? Am I insane? But Mom, it's not possible. You know I can't do that.
Oliver, nobody said you're insane.
But Mommy, you said it here.
That is the problem with you. Look, let me tell you, in that case, you're coming to church with us, Oliver. You must come to church with us.
Mom! You and your so-called husband must fly me abroad. If not, hell will fall in this house. Hell must fall in this house, Mom.
Oliver, my son.
Mom.
Please.
Mom, you better stop this.
Oliver, please.
Leave me alone.
Please, my son.
Mom, leave me alone.
Please.
Stop your hands off me, Mom. Stop it, Mom. Stop it. Stop it. I know you might not believe it, but it's real. See, it all started from my great-grandfather. When my grandfather was born, my great-grandfather died 2 months after. Same also happened to my grandfather. He died 2 months after my grandfather was given birth to. Same thing with me. My father died 2 months after I was brought into this evil world. See, my uncle told me this story when I was just 20. He even took me to a church to confirm it, and the pastor said it was true. And when I asked the man of God what the solution to this whole problem could be, he said, I just don't have to get married, because if I do, I will definitely lose my own life 2 months after bringing in a child into this world. Lizzie, it was actually my great-grandfather that laid a cause, and he actually said if his wife to be sleeps with any other man, that she will die. If that results to any baby making, that child will be an embodiment of evil to the family at large. And that is why, right from my grandfather and to my father, they were all hardened criminals. Even I myself, which was the reason why I left where I used to live and I migrated to this little town where nobody knew me. Where I used to live, they all know me by the name 007, the master forger, the custodian to the highly respected Ogudiga court. Lizzie, I never meant any harm. I never meant to hurt you. But it's just the way things has turned out to be, and my uncle also told me that if any lady gets pregnant for me, I should tell her the story. Because if I don't, I will die 2 months once she has a baby for me. But if I do, then it's up to her to decide. If she chooses not to get rid of the baby, it means whatever she sees in her future, she takes. So Lizzie, I advise you, please, for your own good, please. You might not understand, but you have to get rid of the baby. If not, whatever you see in your future, I'm so sorry, I never meant any of this to come to you.
Alice, over my dead body will I get rid of this baby. I'll kill the child. I can't. Oh God, Alice, why me?
Lizzie.
Oh Jesus, I'm finished.
Lizzie, see, the only thing I can tell you right now is you look before you leap. Don't think any of the story I just told you is fake. I'm serious about every bit of it.
Oh God, Lisa has killed me. Lisa has killed me. You put me in this condition. Oh God, why me? What kind of a son is this? sweetie.
What's your opinion about that boy?
Frankly speaking, I don't know. I'm short of weed.
I'm going to get the police to arrest him and take him to church tomorrow by force.
I think that's okay by me. It's a good one.
Where's your son?
Sweetheart, I don't know. I've searched for him everywhere and he's nowhere to be found.
What do you mean you don't know where he is?
I don't know. Will you come back here? Didn't you see your father here? Come back here! Where have you been all this while?
Mom, I went to my friend's house.
Oh.
Dad.
I called your mother 4 times. And 4 times she told me you were nowhere to be found. I ask you again, where have you been all day?
Dad, I said I went to my friend's place now.
Okay, fine. You went to your friend's house. How is your friend? How's your friend?
Dad, he's fine. He's fine.
Are you not ready to go to church?
Dad, I'm not going anywhere.
What do you mean by you're not going anywhere?
Dad, I said I'm not going anywhere. Why not fly me abroad to continue my studies and save yourself this stress? You think I don't know? This morning you invited the police to arrest me, Oliver. Dad, do not start a fight that you cannot finish.
Will you shut your mouth, Oliver? How dare you talk to your father in that tone? Are you mad?
Mom, if you try this next time, I promise you, I'll personally deal with you. I am the son of a giddy guy. Nonsense.
Bodanya. Bodanya. Bodanya.
What name did I hear him call?
I don't understand either.
Anybody at home? Anybody at home? Uncle James! Uncle James!
Oliver, you're welcome. Please come inside.
No. I'm here to see your father. Is he at home?
He's not at home. He left for a meeting with my mom. So I'm the only one in the house. Please come inside.
You mean you are the only one in the house?
Yes, come inside.
Oh, so this pretty girl is my uncle's daughter. She's sexy, but she's my cousin, my blood. Who cares? I must have a taste of her beauty.
Are you sure?
Yes, come inside.
I was like trying to,
Oliver. Oliver. Who took the money and left in the wardrobe? Huh? I'm asking you, who took the money and left in the wardrobe?
Dad, this is my father's house. And I have every right to take money any day, anytime, in my father's house.
Oliver, I'm going to ask you for the very last time. Who took the money and left in the wardrobe?
Dad.
For my business.
Dad, here is also my house. You are my father. I have the right to take anything at any time.
You have the right to take my money?
Yes,
without my knowledge?
Yes,
without my permission? You go to my wardrobe?
Dad, for things you want drink beer. Drink beer, Jesus.
Jesus. I'm busy asking you who took the money.
Dad, you slapped me. Dad, you slapped me, Dad. I will. You slapped me, Dad. Dad, you slapped me. I told you. Do not start a fight that you cannot finish. No, Dad, I told you. I told you that. That's what I told you. Do not start a fight that you cannot finish. You know the starting point. You don't even see anything. Let me see anything.
Lizzie! Elizabeth! Hey, your son. Oliver.
Oh, Jesus.
Oliver.
Is the result of what transpired between Carlos and Lizzie.
Are you sure of what you just told me?
Darling, I'm very, very sure.
that case, let's go and get the pastor. From there, go to the hospital.
Okay, that will be better.
It's okay, stop crying.
Good morning, sir.
So, we're set to go?
Yes, we are. The moment I hung up, I got ready.
Let's go, please.
Okay.
All right.
Sister Barbara, it's well with you. Don't worry, nothing will go wrong. The Lord is on. Let's go.
Oh, no. We are fine. Doctor, how is he?
He's responding to treatment.
Okay.
Has he eaten anything today?
Not at all.
I'll advise you go get him food to eat.
No problem, I'll do that.
I'll be back in the next 1 hour to check on him.
Alright, doctor. Thank you so much.
You they think I'm no be so you be, or more think twice, no the dolly yo. All that glitters no be goody yo. What on ya? Hey, what on ya? All that glitters no be goody yo. What on ya? What on ya? All that glitters no be goody yo.
May the Lord have mercy on his family.
Amen.
Pastor, why see you briefly?
All that glitters no be good yo. Bodanya. Hey, Bodanya. Look.
Mr. Zubi,
Pastor,
what I saw in there, what the Spirit of the Lord revealed to me in there concerning your friend is terrible. And if the Lord does not intervene in this matter, your friend is likely to die.
Pastor, what did you say?
The Lord told me that your friend's wife has a hand in what is happening to him. What?
Where's your husband? It's taking too long, eh?
He's absent.
You say my daughter is okay?
Honey, she's coming. She's soon be here.
The Spirit of the Lord does not lie. And Mr. Zubi, I am not willing to speak in the presence of his wife.
Darling.
Yeah?
Darling, Chucky needs your attention.
Okay, I'll be with you, sir. Pastor, let's just go and say
all that glitters no be good yo. Bodanya. No be so you be. Bodanya. Hey, Bodanya.
You called me?
The pain is getting too excruciating.
Yeah. Should be. Sorry. Creative. No. Why?
You just woke up now.
No, you don't do that. There should be food. As he just woke up, you give him food to eat. Now go get food fast, please.
I'll do just that. Yes. Okay.
Let me go with you.
Yeah, the pastor wants to say something.
Mr. Moore, the Bible says in Psalm 25 verse 14 that the secret of the Lord is with those who fear him, and he will show them his covenant. Sir, as shocking as it may sound, that boy you call your son is not your biological son. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Your wife was already pregnant before you married her. And that man who impregnated her is the biological father of your son. A man who, according to the Holy Spirit, comes from the lineage with an ancestral curse.
Honey? Honey? Honey?
Sweetheart!
What is keeping you there? Please, I'm running out of time. Bring the money and let me go to the bank.
I'm coming, sir, please.
Chioma?
Yes, Daddy.
What are you doing there?
I'm reading my book.
Won't you go to school?
I'll go just in 5 minutes.
Why? Be fast about it, please.
Okay, Daddy.
Chioma, God know who is knocking on the door, please. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What?
Batman's position well.
What's happening?
What happened?
What's happening? Please, what do you need? Please.
curse has affected your son in so many ways. Reason why he behaves the way he does. For the spirit controls the physical. However, there is nothing our God cannot do. But he must be delivered. At this point, you need intervention of God in your life. Secondly, your wife must never see you till you leave this hospital.
But tell me, Pastor, how possible is that? Who will take care of me?
That can be handled. Not to worry. All I need to ask the doctor to place you under intensive care. Then tell your wife, anybody asks, just tell the person that he's allowed to see you. That's all. Relax. Well, everything is well.
It's okay. It's okay.
Lizzie, I don't understand this your mood. It's getting out of hand. Cheer yourself up. Just try and have a little relief in you, okay?
My sister, how will I do that? How will I do that? This may cost me my marriage. And I don't want to lose my husband. I don't want to lose my marriage at all.
Don't you think it would be better if you tell Chuki everything that transpired between you and Kalis before you got married to him? Because if he finds out on his own, it might hurt him.
Do you just see the truth? You know I can't do that. I don't want my husband to die. This may kill my husband. And I don't want to lose him. I'm just praying for God to just save him from all this stress, from all this suffering. I'm just tired. I don't know what to do anymore.
It's okay. Everything is going to be fine, okay?
I just hope so. I just hope so.
Bodanya. Bodanya. Hey, Bodanya.
I have told you countless times. That what? I'm innocent. Innocent of what? What happened? If you want to find out the truth, please go and meet my mom. My mom has tried countless times to keep I and my dad. You mean your mom? Yes, sir. Are you sure? Go and arrest my mom. Go and arrest my mom.
Bodanya. Bodanya. Bodanya.
Hallelujah. Brethren, I would like to say a few things about the man Jesus before we go on with this deliverance. The man Jesus died on the cross that you and I may be free. Free from every satanic oppression. Free from every demonic bondage of this kind. And the Bible saying in the book of 1 John chapter 3 verse 8, it says, for this reason, the Son of Man was made manifest, that he might destroy every work of the devil. This morning I would like you to believe with me. The Lord who has been doing it, he will do it again. Hallelujah. Amen. Sister Grace, give us a song. Thank you, Jesus.
Rise,
No. There's a song I hear in the spirit. Aka akaya, aka Jehovah nemema. Hallelujah. Easy can do, Keradi atata. Aka akaya, aka Jehovah nemema. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Lord, I invite you in this place. Lord, I welcome you in this place. Have your way. Thank you, Jesus. For you have promised to give me the keys of the kingdoms of heaven. That whatever shall decree on earth shall be established in heaven. And whatever shall bind on earth shall be bound in heaven. And whatsoever I loose on earth shall be loose in heaven. Father, this moment, I loose this young man from every satanic and demonic oppression. In the name of Jesus, you young man are commanded to be free in the name of Jesus. From the crown of your head down to the sole of your feet, I command you to be free in the name of Jesus. Yes, I lose you from the shackles of enemies. I lose you from shackles of demons. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord. I command you to be free. Be free in the name of Jesus. Arise, arise. The Lord has set you free this day. Arise, the Lord has healed you. Arise, the Lord has healed you. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus.
I mean, who are these people? And I didn't go to school today. Why? Hey, Mom.
Praise the Lord! My brethren, I'm so happy. I'm overwhelmed. Thank you, Pastor.
I swear with you, daughter of Zion.
Praise the Lord!
Hallelujah!
Praise the Lord!
Hallelujah!
Praise the living God!
Hallelujah! The Lord says to me that this affliction shall not arise a second time. Yeah. And I tell you, as the Lord delivered John Callis, so has he delivered him. And this affliction shall never return to this family. Yeah. I want you to know that this is not the hand of any man, but it is the hand of the living God. Praise God. Hallelujah. Praise God. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Honestly, may the Lord's name be glorified.
Amen.
An awesome God.
Yes, man.
Wow.
Bodanya. Hey, Bodanya. Hey, yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo. Nah, so it be. Hey, yo, look before you leave. All that glitters no be gold, yo. As you see, I'm no be so it be. You they see white, I'm on a radio. All that glitters no be gold, yo. You they think I'm no be so it be. Or more think twice, no the dolly, yo. All that glitters no be gold, yo. Bodanya, hey, Bodanya, all that glitters no be gold, yo. Hey, Bodanya, oh, hey, Bodanya, all that glitters no be gold, yo. Bodanya, hey.